Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, November 6th here at the KIT Iizuka campus, fourth period. This is English 7C. And let's see, this is class number 6 for this week. And basically, what I want to do is get you ready. Oh, wait, is this 5C? No, this shouldn't be 5C. Oh, that's right, because I thought it was going to be a larger class. There's an assignment here in class number 6 for your partner name and student submission. Now, I thought this this class was going to be much bigger. I thought it was going to be like 20, maybe 15 students. So I thought we would need this assignment, but we don't need this assignment. That's not something for you to worry about. As a matter of fact, I'm going to switch that role to no way. So that's role to students, so you don't have to worry about that at all. Okay, so it is class number 6. The most important things I want to do today is first, I want to do some shadow talking. When I show this to you, come on. Okay, good. Okay, so in class number 6, class number 5, class number 6. Okay, we want to do some shadowing. We did last week as well. Reading for speed, then some shadow talking, and then we moved on to your speaking practice. Now, next week, okay, you're going to have your Moodle test. Now, for your Moodle test, I want you to make sure that you bring your headphones. You're going to need your headphones, either wireless or wired headphones. You can also do this test on your phone, but I suggest that you make sure you bring your computer. That'll make it much, much easier to do. The Moodle test will only be for one half of the class. That'll be the final half. The first half of the class is the last chance that we'll have to practice for your speaking test, okay? So that conversation test itself will be the only thing that we're going to be doing in the class. So it will take almost no time. We'll have a chance to do a little bit of warming up. Then you'll have your conversation test, okay? But for this week, what I want you to do is get ready with the shadowing material, okay? Today's shadowing material is this here, if it'll come up. There it is. Studying in Japan. This is a conversation between myself and my friend Danny Min. Oh, what happened? Next time that happens, somebody say something, okay? Sorry about that. Okay, this is the conversation studying in Japan. This is a conversation between, well, that's strange. Okay, I'll do it over here then. It's a little easier to do it on my iPad, but we'll do it over here. So this is studying in Japan. And this is the conversation between me and my friend, Danny Min, who's a teacher at Kitakyushu University. We're going to shadow talk that, and then we'll go on to the fluency practices that we did last week as well, too. Don't forget that I also want you to make sure that you do your Duolingo, okay? Now, there are still some people that aren't doing enough. Remember, you have to do 75 points every week. I want you to do these 75 points. And even if you don't get an email, I want you to use Duolingo every week, get as many points as you possibly can. I want you to try to use this to get into the habit of using, I'll just say one more time, this is free. It is free, no money. And you know, 10 years ago, this was 60,000 yen, 70,000 yen to buy software like this. You can use this without paying any money, but you're not using it, which to me is surprising. This would have cost so much money a long time ago. So I want you to make sure that you do Duolingo, whether you get the notifications or not, okay? Otherwise, that is the end of this recording. If you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com or come talk to me in class. Let's have a good class, everyone.